smooth road. Not even going over potholes, you can hear that clunking sound.
What's up YouTube, it's 6-Star Driver here. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to diagnose that annoying suspension noise. You know, that clunking and banging you hear when you're driving, regardless of if you hit a pothole or not. I will show you exactly what to look for underneath the car after you've eliminated the struts as the cause. Check for the sway bar links and bushings. The rubber bushings on the bar tends to shift away from the socket over time, and they let the bar swing loosely, hence the clunking and banging noise you hear when you're driving.
Usually pops out. So gotta get it back in here. It's rubber bushings back in. That's how we do it.
Once you move the heat shield out the way, you can gain access to both bolts on each side. You have one at the bottom and one at the top. You loosen that up. You don't have to take it all the way out, but just loosen it up enough so you can slide that rubber bushing right back in. There are a few reasons why this may happen. For example, if the car has been in an accident or hit a major pothole or go over a curb. If you buy cars from the salvage auction, you will most likely notice this because cars are usually picked up and dropped off by forklifts. That bouncing up and down might cause the rubber bushings to shift as well. If you're following along so far, I want you to go ahead and smash that like button for me. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know where you guys and girls are from. What project are you currently working on? I have a couple of videos here on my channel of different salvage builds that you can check out after you finish watching this video. Since I'm working on a 2013 Dodge Charger, I might as well share some interesting facts about that make and model. The Dodge Charger is one of those cars that never goes out of fashion. Initially marketed in 1964, the Dodge Charger quickly became a staple of American culture. To this day, this vehicle is regarded as an American classic all over the world. Although the car has been around for decades, there's still plenty to learn about the beloved muscle car. Here are a few things enthusiasts may not know about the Dodge Charger. The Dodge Charger is proud to be the world's first 4-door muscle car. Not only did the Charger make a splash thanks to its 4-door, it also boasted the latest technology in its wonderful design interior and under the hood. Did you know that when the Charger initially debuted in the mid-1960s, buyers were curious but not entirely sold on it? It wasn't until a second generation redesign in the late 1960s that the car proved to be a hit. Auto enthusiasts generally consider the model released between 1968 and 1970 to be the best of the bunch, especially when taking into account the record sales at the time. The 1970 Charger played an integral part in the Fast and Furious movie franchise. Although the franchise is known for showcasing plenty of cars, the Dodge Charger is the highlight of the bunch, basically a character in itself. The 1970 Charger RT has been entertaining fans of the franchise since the first outing in 2001.
Here comes the bad news.
The Charger and Challenger have a whole vehicle theft rates that are 5 times the national average from 2016 to 2018. The Hemi and the Hellcat engines make for a fun car to steal.
Now, I can't really help you with the theft situation other than telling you to park it in a safe area or a garage, but I can assist with the suspension noise issue. Once you check the struts, check the control arms, sway bar lengths, and sway bar itself, you should be able to eliminate or pinpoint exactly where that noise is coming from, exactly in this video. So if you follow the steps right now, you will be up to this point and you'll be almost done in fixing the problem. Now that we have the bushings back in place, no more banging, no more clunking or the suspension noise. Everything is tight and secure.
No more shaking. That's it. It's back in there. Back in there. And the bushing is back in there. Tight. Take that bolt off. 1, 2. Loosen that. Tighten that one up top. It's tight.
Thank you very much for following along. I've got a few interesting videos on my channel, so feel free to stick around and explore. See you guys next time. Peace.
He ain't catching that caddy. He ain't catching that caddy. He ain't catching that fucking caddy.
Ready.